guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, which is quite an important one, actually it's one of the most important videos on cryptocurrencies you will watch, because we will be talking about a very sensitive topic regarding security of crypto wallets, how to avoid scams, how to check or scan or screen whether a wallet you're sending money to is a scam or high potential scam. So stay till the end, because this video will reveal a lot of things. We'll be talking about a new project covering this aspect here, AML Bot. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, the video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and without further ado, let's just dive deep into the topic. So guys, here we are on the platform AML Bot. What's going on here and what's the concept behind this project? And let me give you a brief introduction here. This project was an online source of crypto addresses and transactions founded in 2019 by a team of certified AML specialists in accordance with FATF international recommendations. So as you can see here, the platform is quite well organized, well structured, easy to use and easy to understand, and as you scroll you will find all the ideas and all the basic principles they are offering and what you can expect from them. As you can see here, what do we offer? We screen crypto wallets and transactions to identify the source of funds and provide you with a detailed report. You can determine the risk score of any wallet and avoid problems with regulatory authorities to protect yourself from illicit funds. Here that means that it gives you a quick screening, and actually a thorough screening, not a quick screening, it's a thorough screening for the cryptocurrency wallet you're sending your money to. So you can first of all avoid scams, and you can avoid getting yourself into troubles. Probably you're sending your money to scammers that actually involved into anything violates the law or whatever. So you might need to be careful in the cryptocurrency space in general, and this project here offers you the tools and ability and capability to do these scans. So as you can see here, your first check will be for completely free, and then the next ones can be for an additional money, and you can subscribe, you can go through the offers, and you can also see how it works here using this video. So what's AML in general? Like, what's AML? What's AML short for? Well, as you can see here, AML and KYC key for crypto adoption. AML bot here and KYC in the cryptocurrency industry. Generally speaking here, decentralized ledger technology, DLT, more commonly referred to as the blockchain, was first introduced by Bitcoin, of course, and it's making it possible to transact value without the need for intermediaries. And similarly, among several other characteristics, blockchain uses transacting cryptocurrencies remain completely anonymous. So meaning that people cannot really trace who's sending to whom, but the wallet itself can be monitored and tracked. Meaning that doesn't necessarily mean you have to reveal who's behind the wallet, but at least you can know that this wallet has been involved in some sketchy activities or probably a potential scam, so you can avoid it altogether. So AML and KYC, what they are: AML and KYC frameworks implemented by banks, financial institutions, platforms, and money business to prevent money laundering by terrorists, drug rings, or other criminal entities or whatever. And the broader AML framework includes KYC as one of the parameters, and the guidelines companies follow while creating these protocols are aligned with the local regulators. So of course, depending on the country you're residing in, you'll find different laws and regulations, but in general there are kind of key factors for any transaction to happen. That of course it's legal, it's not supporting any kind of sketchy activity, and you're following general rules and requirements. And here this project will enable you to be confident enough that the money you're sending or the wallets you're dealing with can have a potential risk or not, so you can refrain from sending or dealing with this wallet, or you can just go ahead and all green and all good to go. So how it works and how this affects the cryptocurrency industry, as you can see here, you can read it, everything is linked down below in the description, but let's go through it here quite quickly. Regulators are cracking down on crypto platforms with similar regulators to protect investors and cryptocurrency users for being defrauded, and the amount of thefts and scam in the cryptocurrency segment is, of course, it's steadily rising each and every day, and unfortunately a lot of scams are popping up and a lot of criminal activities are also popping up. So you might be a victim, you might fall a prey for these scams, or you can actually send money by mistake to a sketchy wallet using it for sketchy activities. So you need to be careful for you as an individual and also for you as an investor. First of all, you need to save your money and prevent your money from being invested in the wrong place, and second of all, from a moral point of view, you need to at least have a check for the project that you're investing in, or at least for the wallet you're sending money to have a quick screening and a quick check to see what's going on. So what's the dirty crypto, and why is crypto enthusiasts need to check their crypto mentioned? And like, you have to do that, as I told you, from a moral perspective and from a protective perspective as well. You have to do that, because the amount of crypto scams out there are just numerous. You cannot even count them. Looking at the crypto market cap, you will find literally hundreds and hundreds and thousands of cryptocurrency projects out there. None of them actually have any regulations strong enough to prevent kind of sketchy activities. So you will need to rely on a different source or a third party to be 100% sure for what's going on. So many of these crypto projects listed on the market, so I'm not going to say all, I'm not going to generalize, but I would say a vast majority are just unfortunately scam nowadays. So you need to balance things in the right way, and you need to understand what you're doing, what you're involving yourself into. So that's in order for you to prevent yourself from investing money incorrectly and also unfortunately getting into a scam or falling a prey into some sketchy activities. So here you can use the platform quite simply. You can just check the wallet over here. You can just click here and you can link a wallet and just paste the wallet, and they will give you the first check for free. You can use it, simple and easy to use, and you can use the link down below to understand it and to get more of the idea. But generally speaking here, things are straightforward and you can use them with ease. Afterwards, of course, you can pay to get per additional check $0.2, meaning 20 cents per check. I mean, it's a small investment, but it will save you a lot of headache and a lot of potential risk, actually highly potential risk you can avoid by just checking the wallet you're sending to and checking the person you're dealing with. So guys, let's go ahead and check for a wallet. Let's just have a little bit of an experience here how to check a wallet. So you can have the bottom here, check a wallet. Once you click on it, you will be directed over here, and then you can start the process of checking out a wallet. Simply speaking, here you would have first to choose what kind of wallet it is, Ethereum, BTC, whatever currency you're checking. So let's say Ethereum wallet here, and then to check, just click on here, and then you will be guided through the further process to check the desired wallet. And as you can see here, it's loading, and then it's giving you, it's a low risk address, and it has 21.8 risk score, meaning that it's in the lower edge of the score. And then you will have all the information related to your wallet in question. As you can see here, marketplace, others, payment, exchange, medium risk, it's liquidity pools, risky exchange, and the high risk is gambling and sanctions. So if it's high risk, then probably you might need to refrain from it. But of course, you can download a full PDF report for this wallet, and you can go through all the things that might concern you before you start transaction. And as you can see here, you can have that it's currently 22% low risk, meaning that it's a green light for you to start dealing with such a wallet. And here is the total balance, irrelevant information, ERC20 balance, the danger here 0.1% gambling, 0.4% sanctions. So suspicious sources here, liquidity pools, high risk P2P, and then all the relevant information are just divided in front of you. And then you can go what's risk score if you want to read more about it. But of course, if you're experienced enough, you will know that everything here is just well elaborated and well illustrated in front of you, so you can have all the parameters you need before you trust or distrust any given wallet. So it's quite comprehensive and it's quite handy before you jump into anything, and you can check that multiple times. You can check that also with your check score. As you can see here, the above corner, you will find the check score, and then it will deduce for every check you will make. So you can check it anyway, and then you can regenerate a whole report for such a wallet. And here is the analysis for an Ethereum wallet. As you can see here, here are the reds and greens, incoming transactions and outgoing transactions. You can go through them. You can see what kind of platform was used for this wallet, and you can have an overview, a bird's eye view of the whole thing. And of course, you can just go through Excel sheet or a spreadsheet, and then you can look at everything in details in a very more structured way. So in general, it's a very powerful tool to give you an overview of what's going on, and it illustrates everything in a very structured way for you to have the peace of mind and also for you to have the confidence whether you want to proceed or not. So what's the use and investigation tool in the account, and what crypto investigations and why they are needed and why they are raising here? What are cryptocurrencies investigation? Well, first of all, they understand, they trace, they seize, and they regulate. And these regulations here not only to annoy people or just put restrictions. No, there are actually different parameters for such restrictions. Because first of all, the cryptocurrency, although it's highly beneficial, although it's highly instantaneous, you can send money anywhere, anytime, but it's anonymous, meaning that nobody can track whose address is that, to whom you're sending money to. That can be a double-sworded edge. So you will need to somehow grasp the idea that you're dealing with at least some form of risk here. And the decentralization, meaning that it's not regulated by an entity. It's a blockchain, meaning that every participant is an important piece of this whole system. So you will need to check it, and you will need to see what's going on here in terms of accessibility and permanence as well. So as you read this article here, you will understand that actually by checking and continuously updating yourself on the wallet you're dealing with, you will find yourself avoiding legal cases or whatever, financial recovery, criminal prosecution, and future frauds prevention. So this will come once you start checking the projects and the wallets you're dealing with. And as you can see here, these 4 parameters here, that's financial and legal impact on any kind of transaction you're doing. So this will cause you a lot of troubles if you do it incorrectly or irresponsibly. So part of your responsibility, of course, to check what's going on. And these are the types of crypto crimes over here. Actually, this link will take you to an article plotted for you in a very nice way and in a very structured way: hacking and theft, phishing, and fake crypto exchanges and wallets. And a lot of them are out there in the market, unfortunately. Like 99.9% of the projects out there are just so sketchy and so good to be true, and you will need to dig deep behind each project and understand what's going on. Investment scams and rug pulls and social media scams as well. So don't really fall into the trap that people are overhyping a project and then all of a sudden it disappears. That happened many times, and if you've been enough in cryptocurrency, you know that this happens almost every day. So you will have to have the responsibility towards yourself and towards others as well to first of all protect your money and protect people's monies and projects as well. So invest wisely and make your own responsibility by checking the wallets and projects you're dealing with. And as you can see here, this article will get you to understand everything behind this project and all the ideas and regulations they are working with, and that's techniques used in cryptocurrency investigations. Over here you can go through them, you can understand them, you can digest what's going on, and you can understand that things are put in place for your better use of cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology in general. And as you can see here, this project is actually well structured and the team is top notch. The team is built by cryptocurrency enthusiasts mixed with some chief commercial officials and operators and legal advisors. And you will see all the people here are linking their LinkedIn, meaning that they are real people presenting themselves. So if you have any question, if you have any inquiry, you can always approach them and you can ask what's going on. And you can also go and follow them on their socials. Over here you will find Twitter. Where's Twitter? Somewhere. You can open Twitter over here and you will find that they're currently in a relatively small community, 2.5k followers, meaning that you can ask questions, you can get to understand more of the concept, and people are more than happy to answer, more than happy to assist you if you have any query or any question regarding that. And of course they have here the tab to change the language. If English is not your first language or you're not comfortable using English, you can use different language over here and you can have frequently asked questions if you have any questions on the go and you can understand the concept more. So I would say this is quite important, and this project actually might open the door for many useful usage for blockchain and to have you have the trust in wallets you're dealing with. And guys, let me just give you a quick example on how to check a wallet for your own safety and for just having a quick screening on a wallet. Here you can go to check a wallet. Once you click it, of course, you need to get yourself an account. It's free, of course. You can just register with your email and choose a password and that's it. So over here, once you get redirected to this page, you can select what kind of wallet you want to check. Let's check a BTC coin. So I have copied an address in mind here, and then you can go to check over here. And once you check, you have to select that it's a BTC, and then attention, probably there is no information about this address in the database yet. We recommend checking a few minutes after confirming this first transaction of this address. So check anyway, and here you have the request on your balance. Please top up. Do you continue sending the request? So as I told you, it's the first one for free, and then you have to top up your balance to get 20 cents per check. But this here will be very beneficial for you to have a peace of mind, at least
case that you're sending money or using a trusted wallet or sending money to a trusted wallet and avoiding any kind of hiccups or any sketchy action over here. So it's quite simple and easy to use. You just check a wallet over here, you select what kind of wallet you want to check, and then you paste it, and then it gives you an outcome or creates a report for you what kind of transactions had been going for this wallet for quite some time, so you can have the trust needed in that specific wallet.
So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about AML Bot, a new project out there that enables you to scan wallets, whether they are high potential scam, high potential risk, whether you should actually go forward and send your money to the specific wallet or not, and it offers you one free check so you can get comfortable or you can get acquainted with the concept itself. So I would highly recommend you to check the link down below, inform yourself more, get more involved in the situation and educate yourself more on the topic, and you will find that things make sense, and especially nowadays when a lot of scams unfortunately are hovering around in the market. So it makes sense for you as an investor to check the wallets you're sending your money to and to know at least whether it's high risk or not. So that's it for this video. Of course, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until next time, bye bye.